Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and this is my new channel. I trying to be a YouTuber since 2014. It's almost 12 years. co- Since last 12 years, I have created a lot of ideas on this YouTube, but didn't get a good response. So after fourth and fifth month later, I stopped recording videos and uploading. Also, didn't uploading. Now I decided to be a good. Uh, I will give entire dedication to this channel. Hope this time I'm gonna change and get a lot of good response from you. So if you like my video, and then definitely give one like and subscribe also. And hope this time I will help you from different sides. Okay, have a good day, and also best of luck to me.